All right, so I have a little confession to make. I have a little problem here, you guys. And the problem that I have right now, well, it's as you can see, blank canvas. That's the problem here. I'm hitting a not a writer's block. What do you call that? Art block. Yeah. So artist version of writer's block here, and staring at this blank canvas. So this blank canvas, looking at this, kind of reminded me of this famous painting called Blank Canvas by Norman Rockwell, right? Norman Rockwell, right? You know that guy right here, this one right here. A blank canvas. This artist is looking at this painting. Saturday Evening Post. As you can see, this clock, it's due date is soon, you know. You can all these props. You can see all these props here that he's been working on, the sketches, you know, of trying to figure out what his theme is and what he needs to paint. And he's sitting there, you know, scratching his head, right? And the canvas is, of course, blank. So yeah. All right, so here is my idea. See, let's explore some ideas here and options as to I've sketched out some of this a while back. This is Vincent van Gogh. Choice number one right here. Choice number one for you guys that you can vote on later on, or comment below if you like, or do both. That's fine. But this is Vincent van Gogh here. He ran out of his money this month, and he's about to call his brother Theo because he needs more paint. He needs more paint, more canvases, of course, paintbrushes. That's what he needs. So this is the idea, a pop art idea I have. The choice number one for you guys, Van Gogh, and tell me what you think. And then there is choice number two right here. Van Gogh with glasses on. Oops, sorry. Van Gogh with glasses on, and maybe he's holding a sunflower as this pop art idea number two for you here, you see. And sunflower, referencing his one of his sunflower paintings, of course. And that's choice number two. And let's go to choice number three here. This is Van Gogh, of course. Van Gogh holding a what? Referencing a holding a Squid Game inspired mask, of course. Squid Game. If you guys, I don't know if you guys seen that Squid Game show recently, 2021 when it first came out. But this is the mask. That's what's referring to. But instead of that usual circle, squares, and the triangle shape, I've decided to be more creative and add my heart shape there. So this is choice number three. So I'll put up that survey on that community tab on my channel for you guys to choose from. So choice number three, Van Gogh, and then choice number one, Van Gogh with iPhone right here, Van Gogh with iPhone. And choice number two, of course, sunflower reference, And lastly, choice number three that you guys can help me pick so I can overcome this art block, the painter's block, creative block, whatever you want to call it. That's what I'm kind of experiencing these days, combined with some laziness and summertime getting hot. I don't know what they, but I'm trying to get better. I'm trying to continue this journey, and if you can be part of it, I would very much appreciate it.